Hello and welcome, dear learners. I am Mr. Mohd Saad. Welcomes you to my YouTube channel, Saad the Pharmacist Academy. This session is in continuation with MCQ series of subject Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Here I am with the most senior lecturer of UBKWT D Pharmacy College, Mr. Mohd Farooque sir. He is having 2 years of industrial experience and for more than 12 years he is act as HOD in pharmaceutical chemistry. I invite him here in interest to interact with you with MCQs. Hope so you will get benefit from him. So without any further delay, I will hand over this session to Mr. Mohd Farooque sir. Please sir, continue.
Thank you, Saad sir, for giving me opportunity for this lecture. And the first question for the learners is organic chemistry is chemistry of, and the options for this question for you are A. Cobalt compound, B. Calcium compound, C. Chromium compound, D. Carbon compound. And during the lectures I have explained to you many times that organic chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of organic carbon compounds. Therefore the correct answer for this question is carbon compound. Question number 2 is name of 5-membered heterocyclic compounds containing 2 double bonds ends with, and the options for this question are as follows. A is INE, B IDINE, C OLE, D none of above. And the correct answer for this question is OLE. As you know that the different rules of heterocyclic compound, in that we have studied that a 5-membered ring containing 2 double bonds, the name of 5-membered ring containing 2 double bonds, and the name of that ring ends with OLE. Okay, therefore correct answer is C OLE for the question number 2. Question number 3 is name of 6-membered heterocyclic compound containing 3 double bonds ends with, and the options for this question are A OLE, B INE, C IDINE, D none of above. And the correct answer for the question number 3 is INE. Many examples we have seen as an example of 6-membered heterocyclic ring, in that benzene is there, pyridine is there, purine is there. And the question number 4 is in the nomenclature of organic pharmaceutical compound, the name of parent nucleus is written in. For this question the options are A start, B middle, C end, D none of above. And you studied the rules. In the rules we have seen that the name of parent nucleus is written in the end. Therefore the correct answer for this question is C end. Okay. Question number 5 is oxazole contains, and the options for this question are sulfur and nitrogen, B oxygen and nitrogen, C oxygen and sulfur, D none of above. And you can see the name of 5-membered heterocyclic ring that is given in the question. Oxa is used for the oxygen, azo is for the nitrogen. Therefore the correct answer for the question number 5 is oxygen and the nitrogen. Question number 6 is antiseptics are applied on. For these options are A. living tissue, B. non-living tissue, C. both A and B, D. none of above. And the correct answer for the question number 6 is living tissue. Question number 7 is disinfectants are applied on. For these options are A. living tissue, B. non-living tissue, C. both A and B, D. none of above. And as you are knowing that the correct answer is non-living tissue, because the difference between antiseptic and the disinfectant is only the site of application. Antiseptics are applied on the living tissue and disinfectants are applied on non-living tissue. Question number 8. Bactericide means. The options for this question are A. to stop growth of bacteria, B. to kill the virus, C. to kill the bacteria, D. to stop growth of virus. And the correct answer for question number 8 is to kill the bacteria. As you are knowing very well that CID means to kill, bacteria is for the bacteria. Therefore, the correct answer is to kill the bacteria. Question number 9 is bacteriostatic means. And the options for this question are A. to stop growth of bacteria, B. to kill the virus, C. to kill the bacteria, D. to stop growth of virus. And the correct answer for question number 9 is to stop growth of bacteria. Question number 10 is Proflavine belongs to, means what is the class of Proflavine. And the options for the question number 10 are phenol and related compounds, alcohol and related compounds, C. heavy metal compound, D. acridine dyes. And the correct answer for question number 10 is acridine dyes. Proflavine, structure of proflavine contains acridine heterocyclic ring, therefore it comes under the category of acridine dyes. Okay. Question number 11, Proflavine is. And the options for Proflavine is are A. anthelmintics, B. anti-epileptic, C. antiseptic, D. analeptic. And the correct answer for the question number 11 is antiseptic. Okay. Question number 12 is formaldehyde belongs to. And the options for this question are A. phenol and related compound, B. alcohol and related compound, C. aldehydes, D. carboxylic acid derivative. And the correct answer for this question is aldehyde. Question number 13. Sulphonamides used in respiratory tract infection is. The options for question number 13 are as follows. A. sulfadizine, B. sulfacetamide, C. sulfaguanidine, D. none of above. And the correct answer for this question is sulfadizine. Sulfacetamide is used in treatment of eye infection and urinary tract infection, and sulfaguanidine is used in treatment of GIT infection in the treatment of bacillary dysentery. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is A. sulfadizine. Question number 14. Sulphonamide used in intestinal infection is. The options for this question are A. sulfadizine, B. sulfacetamide, C. sulfaguanidine. And the correct answer for this question is sulfaguanidine. And the remaining options, option A is sulfadizine, and you know that is used in treatment of respiratory tract infection. B is sulfacetamide, B is used in treatment of eye infection and the urinary tract infection. Question number 15. Sulphonamide used in eye infection. The options for this question are sulfadazine, A. Sulfadazine, B. Sulfacetamide, C. Sulfaguanidine, D. None of above. And the correct answer for this question is sulfacetamide. The remaining one, sulfadazine and sulfaguanidine. Sulfadazine is used in treatment of respiratory tract infection and sulfaguanidine is used in treatment of GIT infection. Question number 16. Sulphonamide used in burn therapy. The options for this question are A. Co-trimoxazole, B. Sulfacetamide, C. Sulfaguanidine, D. Silver sulfadazine. The correct answer for this question is silver sulfadazine. The question number 17 is co-trimoxazole contains two drugs in a proportion of, and the options for this question are A. 3:1, 4:1, 5:1 and 6:1. The correct answer for this question is 5:1. Question number 18. Co-trimoxazole is a mixture of, and the options for this question are A. Sulfadazine and sulfamethoxazole, sulfaguanidine and sulfamethoxazole, sulfacetamide and sulfamethoxine, sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprene. And the correct answer is sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprene. Question number 19. Benzyl penicillin contains, and the options for this question are A. Thiazole ring, B. thiazolidine ring, C. oxazole ring, D. oxazolidine ring. And the options for this question, and the correct answer for this question is thiazolidine ring. You have seen the structure of benzyl penicillin. In that, thiazolidine is the heterocyclic ring that is present in the structure of benzyl penicillin. Question number 20. Benzyl penicillin is, and the options for this question are A. aminoglycoside antibiotic, B. macrolide antibiotic, C. anthracycline antibiotic, D. beta-lactam antibiotic. And the correct answer for question number 20 is beta-lactam antibiotics. Question number 21 is Griseofulvin is used in. The options for this question are A. bacterial infection, B. viral infection, C. fungal infection, D. protozoal infection. The correct answer for this question is fungal infection. Question number 22. Benzyl penicillin is used in. The options for this question are abscesses, syphilis, gonorrhea. A. abscesses, B. syphilis, C. gonorrhea, D. all of above. And the correct answer for question number 22 is all of above. Means benzyl penicillin is used in treatment of abscesses, syphilis, gonorrhea. Abscesses means formation of pus in the injuries that develops because of accident, and syphilis and gonorrhea both are sexually transmitted disease, and the drug of choice in the syphilis and gonorrhea is only the benzyl penicillin in the form of injections. Means the correct answer for this question is all of above. Question number 23. Antibiotics used in typhoid is A. benzyl penicillin, B. chloramphenicol, C. ampicillin, D. Griseofulvin. And the correct answer for this question is chloramphenicol. Question number 24. The causative microorganism for TB is. The options for this question are A. Mycobacterium leprae, B. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, C. Entamoeba histolytica, D. Helicobacter pylori. The correct answer for this question is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Question number 25. INH is A. The options for this question are A. Piperazine derivative, B. Pyrazine derivative, C. Pyridazine derivative, D. Pyridine derivative. And the correct answer for this question is pyridine derivative. Question number 26. PAS is a derivative of. Options for this question are A. Acetic acid, B. Nitric acid, C. Sulfuric acid, and D. Salicylic acid. The correct answer for this question is salicylic acid. Question number 27. Following are the anti-tubercular drugs. The options for this question are INH, PAS, ethambutol. A. INH, B. PAS, C. ethambutol, D. all of above. And the correct answer for this question is all of above. Question number 28. Anti-TB antibiotic is. The options for this question are streptomycin, B. mitomycin, C. daunorubicin, D. ampicillin. And the correct answer for this question is A. streptomycin. 29. Question number 29. Following are used as anti-leprotic agent. And the options for this question are A. INH, B. PAS, C. ethambutol, D. none of above. And the correct answer for this question is none of above. Question number 30. Following are used as anti-leprotic agent. And the options for this question are A. dapsone, B. solapsone, C. clofazimine, A. all of above. And the correct answer for this question is all of above. Question number 31. Metronidazole is used in treatment of. And the options for this question are as follows: helminthiasis, amoebiasis, filariasis, elephantiasis. And the correct answer for this question is amoebiasis. Question number 32. Causative organism for malaria is Plasmodium falciparum, A. Plasmodium falciparum, B. Plasmodium ovale, C. Plasmodium malariae, and D is all of above. And the correct answer for this question is all of above. 33. Question number 33. Anti-cancer antibiotic. And the options for this question are A. mitomycin, B. ampicillin, C. penicillin V, and D. penicillin G. And the correct answer is mitomycin. Question number 34. CNS stimulants are known as. And the options for this question are A. antiseptics, B. anthelmintics, C. analeptics, D. antiepileptics. And the correct answer is analeptics. 35. Question number 35. Caffeine is A. And the options for those questions are A. CNS stimulant, B. CNS depressant, C. sedative, D. hypnotics. And the correct answer for this question is CNS stimulant. Question number 36. Barbiturate used as general anesthetic is, and the following options of question number 36 are as follows: A. for phenobarbital, B. butobarbitone, C. cyclobarbitone, D. methoxytone. And the correct answer is methoxytone. Question number 37. Cyclopropane is stored in. And the options for this question are as follows: A. glass bottle, B. plastic bottle, C. metal cylinder, D. none of these. And the correct answer for this question is metal cylinder. Question number 38. Chloroquine is used in treatment of A. And the options for this question are A. amoebiasis, B. filariasis, C. malaria, and D. helminthiasis. The correct answer for this question is malaria. Question number 39. Neoplasm is a medical term used for. The options for this question are A. Diabetes, B. Cancer, C. Blindness, D. Arthritis. The correct answer for this question is B. Cancer. Question number 40. Leukemia is A. The options for this question are A. Bone cancer, B. Brain cancer, C. Skin cancer, D. Blood cancer. The correct answer for this question is D. Blood cancer.
Thank you, Farooque sir. Hope so, dear learners and students, you will get benefit from this session. For any queries or suggestion, kindly comment. अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.